Let me ask you something. If I handed you the most powerful tool in the world right now, would you even know how to use it? Because that's kind of what's happening with AI these days. These tools exist, they are free, they are incredibly powerful, and most people either don't know about them or they open them up, get confused, and close the tab. Not anymore. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what the best AI tools are, what each one is good for in real everyday life, and how to start using them today, even if you've never touched any of this stuff before. Let's get into it. First one is ChatGPT, and yes, you've probably heard of this one. But hear me out, because most people are only using like 10% of what it can actually do. ChatGPT is made by a company called OpenAI, and the simplest way to describe it is it's like having a conversation with someone who has read basically everything on the internet. You can ask it anything, and I mean anything, but let me give you some real examples of how normal people are actually using this right now. If you're a student, you can paste in a confusing paragraph from your textbook and say, explain this to me like I'm 12. Done instantly, no more staring at the page for 20 minutes. If you work a regular job, say you need to write a professional email to your boss, but you don't know how to word it. Just tell ChatGPT the situation and ask it to write the email for you. Takes 10 seconds. If you run a small business or side hustle, you can use it to write product descriptions, social media captions, reply to customer messages, brainstorm new ideas. It's like having a free assistant that never sleeps. The trick is being specific. Don't just say, help me with my essay. Say, I'm writing a 500-word essay about climate change for a 10th grade class. Help me write a strong intro. Completely different result. The basic version is totally free. Go to chat.openai.com and just start typing. This is Google's AI, and if ChatGPT is like a brilliant friend who's read everything, Gemini is like the same friend who also has Google search running in real time inside their brain. That's the big difference. Gemini is connected to the internet right now, so it knows about things that happened yesterday, today, this morning. ChatGPT's free version doesn't always have that. Real world example. Let's say you're trying to plan a trip and you want to know what the weather is like in a city right now, or what the cheapest flights look like this week. Gemini can actually help you with that in a way that feels current and useful. Or if you're a student doing research, instead of opening 10 different tabs, you ask Gemini and it pulls from the latest information and gives you a clear answer with sources. But okay, here's where Gemini gets really fun, and this is something most people don't know about yet. Google has this image generation tool called Nano Banana Pro. And yes, that is the actual name. I love it. Nano Banana lets you generate images using AI, powered by Google, and it's incredibly easy to use. You just describe what you want to see and it creates it like real example. Let's say you're a teacher and you want a fun illustration for your classroom presentation. Instead of spending an hour looking for the right image online, you just type a friendly cartoon robot teaching kids in a colorful classroom. And boom, you have a custom image in seconds. Or maybe you're starting a small business and you need a logo concept or some social media visuals, but you have zero budget for a designer. Nano Banana gives you a starting point that actually looks great. It's one of those tools that once you try it, you wonder how you ever did things without it. Gemini.google.com, free with your Google account. Definitely check out the image generation in while you're there. Then Claude. Okay, this next one, a lot of people haven't heard of it, but it might honestly be my personal favorite. It's called Claude and it's made by a company called Anthropic. Here's what makes Claude different. It's really, really good at deep thinking and long conversations. Like if you're working on something complex, a business plan, a long document, a creative project, Claude actually keeps up with all the details without losing track. real world use case. If you're a freelancer or a small business owner, Claude is incredible for reviewing contracts, summarizing long documents, or helping you think through a big decision step by step. If you're a writer or content creator, Claude is probably the best AI for writing that actually sounds like a human. It doesn't feel robotic. It's great for blogs, scripts, stories, captions, anything where the writing quality actually matters. And honestly, it just explains things really clearly. If you've ever been confused about something, a concept, a situation, anything, Claude has a way of breaking it down that just clicks. Go to Claude.ai, free to start, no complicated setup needed. Then we have Midjourney. We already talked about Nano Banana for image generation through Google, but let me show you what else is out there. Because this space is wild. Midjourney is probably the most powerful image AI right now. The quality is on another level. Professional designers use it, movie studios use it, artists use it. You type a description and what comes back looks like it took a professional hours to make. Real world example, imagine you're redecorating your room and you want to visualize what it would look like before spending any money. You can describe your room with different furniture, different colors, different vibe, and see it before you commit to it. Or say you're a content creator and you need a unique thumbnail for every video. Instead of hiring someone or spending hours in Photoshop, you generate it in 30 seconds. If Midjourney feels complicated to start, Adobe Firefly is a great free alternative. Super simple, works right in your browser. Microsoft Designer is another free one that's really beginner friendly. The bottom line, you no longer need to be a designer to have designer quality visuals. That's a huge deal. Here we have also some bonus tools. A few that I haven't mentioned because they're too good to leave out, and I'm going to give you a real use case for each one so you know exactly why they matter. Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google but smarter. Instead of giving you a list of links to click through, it reads those pages, gives you direct answer. Use it when you need quick, reliable research without falling down a rabbit hole of tabs. Notion AI. If you use Notion to take notes or stay organized, they build AI right into it. Use case, you have messy page of notes from a meeting and you want a clean summary in bullet points. Done. One click. Runway, AI video editing and generation. You're a YouTube or content creator and you want to remove the background from a clip or generate a short video scene from just text description. No editing skills needed. ElevenLabs AI. Voice generation. You want to create a voice over for a video, but you hate the sound of your own voice, or you need a voice in a different language. ElevenLabs creates incredibly realistic voices in seconds. Okay, real quick recap. ChatGPT, your all-round AI assistant. Use it for writing, studying, work ideas, anything. Gemini, Google's AI with real-time internet plus Nano Banana for easy, powerful image generation. Claude, the best for deep thinking, long documents, and writing what actually sounds good. Midjourney and image tools create professional visuals without being a designer, and Perplexity, Notion, Runway, and ElevenLabs for more specific, powerful stuff. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these, just one, open it up today, and spend 10 minutes playing around with it. You will surprise yourself with what you figure out. And then come back and tell me in the comments which one did you try? What did you use it for? I generally want to know if this video helped you even a little bit. Hit subscribe. Every week on this channel we're covering the best AI tools, news, tips, all explained in plain English. No tech degree needed. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario. See you in the next one. Bye bye.